Welcome to the online classes of Deepal School Joshipur. Today we will read history subject of class 6. This is your book Viva ICSC History and Civics. In the previous class we studied about the society, family and town planning of the Mesopotamian civilization, and today we will read about occupation. So all of you come to page 12. So today we will discuss about the occupation of the Mesopotamian people. What were their occupations? Means mean of income or mode of income for their families, their society, by which they run their society, or you can say family. So at first we see agriculture was their main occupation. Okay, as two rivers were present there, one is river Euphrates and Tigris. Two rivers were there. The land between these two rivers was always alluvial, you can say, or very fertile. That is why it was very easy for them to cultivate various crops. Like their main crop was barley. Okay, barley was their main crop, but along with barley they also cultivated wheat, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans, onions, garlics, eggplants, turnip, lettuce, cucumber, apples, grapes, and a variety of herbs and spices also. Okay, so these were the names of the crops that they cultivated during their time. Okay, not only the crops, also they were cultivating herbs and spices, herbs which were used as medicine purposes and spices for cooking food. Okay, so along with this agriculture they also domesticated some animals like sheep and cattle means cow, buffalo, all these animals. They were the first people to develop an elaborate system of irrigation. Elaborate system of irrigation. Irrigation means to provide water to our agricultural lands through different ways. So they provided water to their agricultural lands by making dikes. Okay, they used dikes, reservoirs, canals, drainage canals, and aqueducts. So these are the things which were built to stop the flow of water in the river by making different dikes, reservoirs, canals, drainage canals, and aqueducts. And after stopping the water by making these uh, constructions, they supplied the stopped water to their agricultural fields for irrigation purposes. Okay, and they invented an ox-drawn plow and used the wheeled wagon for transportation of goods. So they were the first to invent ox-drawn plow for plowing purposes, and also the wagon, or you can say a small chariot like wheeled chariot for transportation of goods and also for people. Next we can see about pottery. So one of their occupation was by making pottery, pots, utensils, and figurines of mud, or you can say soil, are found in the sites of Mesopotamian civilizations. So as these things like pots, utensils, uh, soil utensils, and figurines were found from the sites of Mesopotamian civilization, this proves that their one of their you can say occupation was pottery. Art and craft also was there. So what was art and craft? In art and craft you can say tools of bronze and copper. So bronze and copper tools or weapons were used at that time. They also had jewelry. They also were making jewelry of gold, silver and gemstones. And masons and carpenters, you can say mason and carpenters, they were also used to make palaces for the king and chariots for war. So during that period, those kings or the king family, those were living in palaces. These palaces were built by the masons and carpenters. And the chariots, the horse driven chariots, those which were used in wars, were also built by carpenters and masons. Ships were built by them. So this ship building, or you can say chariot making, palace construction, these were also one of the occupation by several types of people. Then came the trade. You can say trade as seals of the Mesopotamian people are found in the Indus Valley sites, and the Indus Valley seals were also found in Mesopotamian sites, the places where the civilizations, these two civilizations were present. So it proves that both this Mesopotamian civilization and Indus Valley people, both the people of these two civilizations were in trade relationship with each other. So they had also trade with countries along with eastern coast of Africa. So in Africa they had their trade relation. West Asia and Anatolia, one of the countries is Anatolia. Okay, and one of the invention, discovery of a precious stone that is known as, you can say, lapis lazuli, a semi-precious stone which was found in the Mesopotamian civilization, that was known as lapis lazuli. It proves that the Mesopotamian people were expert. They were expert in artwork and jewelry work, as this lapis lazuli was found or discovered in the place where the Mesopotamian civilization existed in the history. So these are the things that we studied today about the occupation. In occupation they had agriculture, animal rearing, pottery, art and craft, trade. These are the things which were their main means of occupation. So this much for today. In the next class we will read about art and architecture of the Mesopotamian civilization. Thank you.